Hi, it's Karen again, and today we were reading about ¿Querrá jirafa reír? Will giraffe laugh? And so we looked into many animals, but I decided today to make a giraffe, like a puppet, so you can retell the story again. Do you remember how we say giraffe in Spanish? Sí, muy bien. Jirafa. So the library will provide you with. We're working with shapes, so we will give you a yellow rectangle, a big one, and a small one for the neck. Then we have some ovals for the face, and a circle that will be the ears for the giraffe, a pipe cleaner for the horns, and a craft stick. At home, you will be needing some tape, cinta adhesiva, markers, marcador, or crayons, or finger paint, and scissors. Okay, so what you want to do is either an adult, sibling, sister, brother, cousin, whoever is with you to do this craft will roll the paper up, and you will be needing a lot of tape, but you have to not waste it. We just grab as much as we need only, not too much. We will tape it. We will put our stick inside and tape it as well. And then you will decorate your giraffe, and you will assemble it however you want and color it however you want. Because remember, each creation is what? Beautiful. I hope you call us, okay? 561-965-2204, and keep washing those hands. Adios. Hasta pronto.